Hey Foxes, first I'm here back with another Armul Jam video. Today I'll be redeeming some pet tokens. Let's get started. Let's press this token thing. Let's pick a Frankenpup token. Let's go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna get an X-Iced Frankenpup. Whoa, this is like terrible. Awesome though. Yeah. Okay, so let's do another one. A spooky pet token. What do I get? What do I get? Wow, guys, I got a golden and purple phantom. This is so pretty and cute. Look at the eyes. It's very awesome. Very cute indeed. So let's pick another token, another spooky pet token. And we get a vampire bat in orange. So cool, guys, so cool. Wait, am I supposed to even say cool? Orange and this. It's a nice color though. Bye, Foxes. See you in my next video.